positive news which is being telecasted in PMC USA YouTube channel. The whole purpose of bringing this news is to highlight various activities happening in Pyramid Spiritual Society's movement, that is PSSM USA. In this pandemic, people have become more fearful of life, and PSSM is enabling them to be more stronger and fearless with the tools of meditation, plant-based food and pyramid energy. About PSSM. Pyramid Spiritual Society's movement, that is PSSM, founded by Brahmarshi Pitamaha Patriji, is a non-profit, autonomous, non-religious, voluntary movement working across USA promoting benefits of meditation, vegetarianism, pyramid energy and spiritual science. Also conducting numerous programs like free workshops for corporates, group sessions, one-on-one sessions, seminars with goal of enlightening with self-realization, healthy life, self-empowerment to one and all. PMC USA and PMC USA Multilingual Channel. PMC USA channel. This is purely English-based channel which will bring all the content like meditation live events, summits, experience sharing of various masters across the globe. PMC USA Multilingual Channel. This channel will serve all languages other than English. The content will be on similar lines with meditation events, summits, experience sharing, so on, but to cater to non-English speaking viewers. Dr. Ettu Shivaramappa Sir. Great news to PSSM. Shivaramappa Sir from Pyramid Spiritual Science Academy has been honored doctorate by SVYASA University. This is the first time somebody is receiving a doctorate for Anapanasati meditation, and PSSM is proud of this achievement, and PSSM USA wishes Dr. Shivaramappa Sir hearty congratulations. PSSM USA upcoming event. PSSM USA is collaboration with Pyramid Spiritual Science Academy has designed a special course for kids known as Yogic Brilliance and Excellence. This is a 8 hours course with core intention of sharing knowledge on spiritual science and encouraging students to get a taste of this dimension. Course is planned to start on January 4th, and watch out shortly for the flyers in the local groups with registration details. PSSM Global Current Events. Meditation with Pari every Thursday at 9 p.m. EST in the event Elevate Your Energy. Please look for details at www.pssmglobal.com/events. Activities happening in USA. There are daily and weekly sessions happening across the US region, and the details of the same are attached in the flyer. For further info, please reach out to the customer service 1770-872-0955, and the email is info@pssmusa.org. PSSM USA announcement. PMC USA, as part of promoting plant-based food, is also getting ready to showcase on how easy and tasty food can be prepared without using of garlic, mushrooms or microwaves. So please watch our channel for every other Saturday for a new recipe which will be telecasted. PSSM Austin announcement. PSSM Austin is conducting 41-day meditation challenge for new members. This event has started on November 11th. Please check the flyer for joining details. PSSM New Jersey announcement. PSSM New Jersey team Pyramid Seva Dal is conducting 41-day meditation challenge for new members. Watch out for December 19th session by Lokanath Guru Gantla on Ignite Your Destiny. Also, watch out for December 20th session by Chandra Pulamara Setti Sir on service. Please check the flyer for joining details. PSSM Global announcement. PSSM Global has proudly launched its new services called Pyramid Call Services Global. Intention of this service is to provide a platform to a new seeker to get attached to a master who can talk in their respective language and provide guidance about the meditation and help them to assign a group so as to participate in day-to-day programs. PSSM upcoming event. PSSM is proud to announce an annual event which happens year on year in December 21st to 31st. This year it is named as Mahila Dhyana Mahachakram 2, held in Kartal, Hyderabad. Watch out for local groups with more details about the program. For further info, please reach out to customer service 1770-8720-955 and the email is info@pssmusa.org. Please follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Please subscribe to our PMC USA YouTube channel and PMC USA Multilingual channel. Thank you. This is Shrutija signing off.